Hey guys, sorry it's been 7 months since the last of the video. Yes, it's a long overdue for another one. As you can see, there's a lot has changed over the months of this year. I moved out of my parents' house and I moved into an apartment near my parents' house. So as you can see, I got my own fridge right behind me, which we are gonna be part of the video. So now I love to make videos of organizing and also hauls and of course meal prep videos. But today, as you can see, we have this new app called TikTok, and I love to watch foods being organized. They're one of my favorite things. They're very soothing to me, and I want to do them too. If they see you, that would be great. And if you're new, my name is Emily Ann Rhodes, and I like to do organizing videos and haul videos and all that fun jazz stuff. So what happened was my mother gave me these from Sam's Club. They are organizing bins. I love organizing. It's one of my favorite things to do. And this is another one. This is the first one. Can also be for your pants or if you need it to be. So let's get started on this video because it's one of my favorite things to do. So this is a deep clean video. So it's going to take a while, but hope you stick in and enjoy. So here we start. Messy bun gets stuff done. Let's do this. Got my messy bun on. Hope you guys do too. Sit back, relax, and enjoy my fridge. Phew! Gotta organize this fridge. Okay. Step 1. By organizing the fridge, take everything out. It makes it so much easier. Gotta have that cream in the morning. I'm going to move you back a little bit so you can see the full fridge. Very back. Good. Pro tip, we like to have filtered water. Stays nice and chill. I think you can just get this from Walmart. Very cheap. Very great to have filtered water. So that's a good tip to have for foods like this. Filtered water. And always stick with little items in the fridge, because I live in an apartment. Have little things. Almost done. As you can see, we like teas. Oopsies, I gotta close that one. buy like fresh green, always buy the bag, not the box. So take too much space out of your fridge, and there's just a very little amount of your fridge. So always buy in plastic baggies if you can for your veggies, if you like veggies. You can get a lot out of small bags. Cinnamon rolls, they always come in handy. We love our eggs. My applesauce, I'm just going to throw this away because that will let's take a loss of this in the fridge. Another pro tip of having a small fridge, always have baking soda because it cleans out your fridge. It's really nice and it'll stay fresh. So over here because we're after cleaning. Now I'm going to move you guys around so you guys can see the other pot. So let me see back here. So I'll be doing noises. Okay, now time for the side door. Always put your milk in the fridge, never the side door, because this is where all our condiments go. As you can tell, we got all our condiments, so we gotta go through it. Keeping on the side down here. So that's open. Oh, it's still away. I don't know why I had that last night. Good pizza sauce, if you're wondering. Good, cheap, from my pizza. Another option, if you're trying to be healthy, you can put pesto on anything, and it is lovely. You can even put it on your bread, have an egg on top, and have breakfast. Also, the goal to keep cool neck towels. This is a good healthy alternative of Caesar dressing. It's only 90 calories and only 1 gram of sugar. So this is the light one right here. So this is what it is. You see it? Really good. Also, another good brand I would have to say is Jean Heinz. This is a good brand. It's a nice dressing. Sugar-free, so if you're looking for sugar-free stuff, go ahead. No sugar, 60 calories only. So you can see the back. This is what the phone looks like. This is the guy. He makes a lot of good stuff. He even makes good ketchup, but I use it all, so you can't really see that because I throw it away because we use it all. So Really good stuff. Here's the barbecue sauce. So this is good stuff if you're looking for sugar-free items. You can get it anywhere, literally anywhere. And if not, go online and just get some. Always have lemon juice and lime juice if you want to be healthy with your water. You can just put that in here, and it's really good. Helps you very well. Also, I'll have on hand butter, key, or healthy butter if you want to be healthy. Sorry for the loud bang. We like hot sauce, as you can tell. It's really good on eggs, if you're wondering. Good for cooking. Garlic clove, it makes any dish lovely. If you want to put a little zest to it. Again, more pesto. Can't have enough pesto for eggs. My boyfriend's bear. He likes it. Minced garlic. So if you don't have garlic cloves, you can also just get this. It's much easier to do if you want to get that out. This is my favorite salsa. Just the Walmart brand. Chunky salsa. Really good. If you're healthy, if you want to be healthy, this is a good salsa. You can put on anything you want. Oh, it's a must-have for me. And of course, we go out sometimes, and we always grab ketchup packages. So these are good totes. Okay. These I'm probably just gonna throw away, even though this would be really good for mozzarella sticks. Now, as you can see, we are empty. And also my fridge. So, stand up. I'm gonna try to move you over here. Now it's time to hit the nitty gritty. Nitty gritty. Can you guys see that? I hope you can. There you go. I'll pop you guys out. There. Now you can see the fridge. So how I start cleaning my fridge is I'm gonna get a multi-purpose stuff out so we can clean it. Hey guys, I got my microfiber cloth. Microfiber will be the best bet. Let's go pick up the grime from the fridge. And let me get a nice... I'll use this one. And the multi-purpose spray. This is the multi-purpose spray. And this is the Method one. I like using Method. So my favorites. I even have Method hand soap. It's the best. So I'm just gonna wipe down all the grime. I think I'm gonna get a different one because it's very dirty in here. It's been a month. It's been almost a year, so I'm gonna use just a white dirt cloth instead. Hey guys, squirt everywhere. You gotta put your package with a little bit. Yes, you can take it out. It's very easy to take out and wash, but I think it's just easier to do this. I think I'm gonna move you guys up here so you can see the foot. Yes, here we go. I'm gonna prop you guys again. So I'm gonna keep moving you guys, but I do want you to see the fun part of cleaning the fridge. It's not really stick open that well. Sorry for the move. You'll definitely see these hands later. Just want you guys to see if it's really clean. I'm going to move it up a little bit. I know you can't really see this, I'm sorry. We'll just get it going. Now I'm going to start up here so you can see better. Now it's time to clean one of my drawers. Let me get the lip on the drawer. So take out all my cheese that's spilled. There we go. Get that out of the way. Hey, sorry, you can see on the top of my head. I hope you're enjoying this video. I'm going to clean the inside of here. I don't know if I can see this. I'll try to move you again. Let's see. This is what I'm cleaning right now. This is a good stench for you guys. I'm so sorry I'm not keeping moving you. No. That's a bit of I don't know why this door's gonna keep slinging closed on me. Okay. Kind of hold this one back a little. This one's. I'm so sorry, guys. That's what happened. Okay, hang on here in this drawer. This is the climate drawer, climate zone. Let's do my foot. I'm gonna get a. I'm so sorry. The snow's gonna keep closing on me. I'm just gonna cook it something real fast. Oh god, I hate I didn't scrub. I still use my bucket. But this gets things done. Out on the floor. Time to get the pot. Sorry for the beeping. I do live in an apartment and my windows are open, so we have our constructions. But I do love the sound. It's kind of soothing. And as you can see underneath, I don't know if you can. Just taking things out. Trying to move to get that's all to say. Take those out over here. And now I'm just going to get the bottom of my fridge open down. Oh, nice and clean. Now I'm going to put back my crisper drawers. There we go. There's one drawer. There's the other drawer. Perfect. Now the same for the side door. All these little compartments. There's my sponge. Hello. Can I spray down here? I'm using my scrubby side. So it's easy to use my scrubby side. what's on the bottom. I know you can't really see it. That's where I got the spoiler sticks. That little ledge right there. Hey guys, close to my face. It's time to get these two boys back in the scene. Now I'm gonna go on this side. Perfect. A little bit up here, but my roll does not get that dirty. Perfect. So I'm gonna get up and move you guys back to the middle so you can see my fridge. And it's time to organize it. So I showed you the bins. We saw about that. The bins my mom got me. Got these skinny ones. These big ones. Another big one. There's the Susans. That's what they are called. You can call them trace that move, but they call these Susans. And another one right here. And then I'm gonna put them more up here. First one. And two square ones. So I got these. So now it's time to place them in the fridge and see where everything is gonna go. The first thing I'm gonna put in here is course the milks, because they like to keep it back in the fridge right here. So I'm going to use probably this bin right here. Put it here. And I'm going to just place the milk. Sorry, it's kind of scattered everywhere. Right there. Like the drink area, and on top too. So that's our water, and our drinks. Just one thing. Okay. Next up, I'm going to try to use. So how I organize the fridge is breakfast goes on top. Just go in the middle, and dinner's on the bottom. But that's how it is. Breakfast always comes first, lunch is on the middle, and dinners are on the bottom. So that's how I organize my fridge. And the sides are just my condiments. because I keep my drinks in the middle to stay chilled and cold. So. In the bottom are my cookie blocks. So I keep my bags together. It's easier to buy like Mr. Bacon Caesar kit. Always buy kits. They're fun. You can just keep. You can, if you don't want to use the dressing, and that's okay, because I got my own dressing. I just use it for the bacon and go with my lettuce. But if you want to go a little bit more cheaper, you can just buy romaine and get your own stuff. But sometimes kits are just really good to have. Same with my broccoli. Makes it so much easier. My next drawer is like my veggie drawer, so I've got a lot of carrots. I love my carrots. Peppers. And zucchini. Try to keep my veggies minimum so I can eat them throughout the week. So that's it for my 2 drawers on the bottom. And then we are going to walk away from the dinners up to the breakfasts. So we got pepperoni, 400 pizzas. So I can actually put that with the milk, because that's quite small. Pro tip, always put your bread in the fridge so they can stay nice and not moldy. So always keep them in here nice and fresh. So. Yummy Italian sausage. This is from Trader Joe's. That will also a dinner. So that goes there. Got some hamburger meat I made last night for taco night. These are the twisties. This is very good to have. Nice and small and compact. Also love it. And also tortillas. I always keep them in the fridge too. So I'm going to keep them with my buns. So I'll leave it there. Next up, lunches. Got wraps for lunches. Sourdough bread, it's one of the healthy bread if you want bread. Keep that with my wraps. I also like to keep grapes on hand because they are yummy and sweet and healthy. This soup is awesome. This is the Pacific Foods. This is the butternut squash because it is that time of season. So I always keep that up here. I got my tomatoes. We used to use more bends, so let's get a nice. This would be for his drinks, actually. Because he does like his drinks and pans. So I will definitely put that up there. And the water will come on down here next to the other ones. There we go. That looks up on the back. We get some tilt. I'm going to use this newer bin up here for the wraps and the bread. Oh, it's going to have a bread section. Have spoiled like a double taco. So I'm going to put that in there, along with this on the side. It's kind of bulky, but that's nice. Got my grapes. Yes, I know, I just put the grape seed in there. And then again, the milk. Not the milk, the soup. The soup. That's also a good lunch item. I think, what else does it put in there? Tomatoes. I love tomatoes. So that'll be in here. Oh, these are also good to have for lunches. Mandarins. I love mandarins. I always snack on those. So those are like lunches. And of course, you gotta have the necessities of cheese and minced meat. So I'll put that in here. And the cheese and meat drawer. Technically, I keep the meat right here. And the cheese right here, because I have so much things of cheese. Cheese galore. I call this like fancy cheese for charcuterie boards. So that. On the front. We got plant-based cheese, healthy cheese. Let me close that up. Vegan cheese, if you want to know. If you are, you still need to get, or you can get Dare. Farm Life. Those are mainly at Sprouts, if you're wondering. So let's keep that back there. And you also have mozzarella if you love pizza and you are dairy free. There we go. Check that out then. We got cheese cubes when I like to make my Starbucks boxes. Mozzarella cheese. You just never know. But it's not dairy free. Along with the staple Colby Jack cheese. As you can tell, we love Colby Jack cheese. So that is our lunch area. So now we're up to our breakfast on top. And of course the main ingredient of breakfast. Are eggs. These my mom got from Sam's. So I got that here because my mom has the same club membership there, so she always buys me eggs. Every morning I like to have blueberries with me for breakfast. They're really nice to have. Along with that. You gotta have sausage for meat. So I have my sausage. Caucasian, same more. Same for the weekend. Gotta keep it nice and fresh. So I'm putting the baking soda back. Fancy cheese. I got fancy cheese because it looks like cheese like that for charcuterie board. So that would be with the other one. If you like sausage, you also got to get bacon. So we got bacon. This is the Butterball. Lovely bacon. So that will go on top too. Laughing cow cheese. So for making sandwiches, you can use mayonnaise, which is okay to have on occasion. But if you're healthy, I would do a laughing cow cheese like this. This is really good for you. Just put this on your bread or any bread you like. Spread that on there. Put your meat of choice on it and roll it up, or make a sandwich with your Wonder Bread. It's lovely to have if you don't want to do mayonnaise. That's another option for you. Again with my cheese roll. This is my favorite roll. Cocktail sauce. You can also see this for another video. I have shrimp in my freezer. So if you want to see a freezer video, give me a thumbs up or send me the icon of the snowflake and I will definitely do a freezer video for you. And I will show you my favorite thing I like to make. It's new. They are spring rolls. So if you want to see a video like that, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and enjoy that video. Again, if you want to see it, give me the ice icon. What's up there? Okay, now it's on to the condiment section. So these are used for another video of my pantry. If you want to see that, I'll send you another icon for our pantry if you need to. I would love to do a video. Okay. Here's my side roll. I love my mayonnaise. So good. My mayonnaise in here. Sorry for that ding. That was from my Life 360. You just have to put it here. That's so good. Keep that there. Smudging hands. My barbecue sauce. This is my favorite hot sauce for me. I use it all the time. It's yummy. Help my eggs. This is another good hot sauce. I mean, barbecue sauce, not hot sauce. It's really good. It's yummy. This is my boyfriend's favorite, Grey Poupon. It's also healthy if you want to know. Mustard has no calories in it, so if you want that instead of the mayonnaise, you can also put this on there too. It's yummy. It does have that little bite, so it's really good. So go right ahead, stock up with some mustard. Yes, we like a lot of salsa, so we have on a board of salsa that I got last night, my taco night. We got thick and creamy salsa. Good on eggs or anything. More taco sauce. I like the red one better, but if I'm out, I would definitely use this. More hot sauce here. It's my boyfriend's favorite. maple syrup. And then we got some Eggos. Eggo my Eggo. If you ever seen those commercials, you understand. And of course, the lemon in the squeeze. I think I'm gonna put it back here. My salsa area. Got my pesto. 2 of them. Some queso dip. Pizza sauce. Jelly. If you want to make peanut butter and jelly, it's an easy sandwich to make. One of my favorites. I like strawberry jelly. That's my boyfriend's again. Parmesan cheese. You can't go wrong with Parmesan cheese when you have spaghetti night. He likes his ear cord. Just keep that right there. I got one left. But other than that, I'm gonna get more. I'll definitely put it right here for him. And then again, they got cloves. They were easy to do. I got on my TikTok how to do it. But if you want to just have it minced, I'll just buy this. Oh, got more stuff up here. Sour cream, got a little sour cream. That's also condiment, so I just put it back here. And my favorite is applesauce. My favorite thing to do when I have a dessert item, I would like to have an applesauce and also graham crackers. And what I do, I get my graham crackers and my applesauce. It's really good. I don't know if it's good for you or not, but applesauce is really a good option to have for dessert if you like the ice cream flavor. I understand there are healthy options for that, but I love applesauce and graham crackers. Try it, you'll love it, trust me. And if you do try it, let me know to see how it goes. I think again that's more like a lunch item. And the butter. Name of it. Perfect. Oh, this is a really good butter if you have a healthy option. This is the Earth Balance Soy Free. It's really nice. Only 100 calories if you're wondering. And no sugar. So if you're looking for an option for no sugar butter, this will be it right here. Let me show you what it looks like. Looks just like this. It's lovely to put on toast. That's another good option if you want to be healthy. Put it in front like that. And I think that's about it. Let me just look at it. Oh, lemons is another healthy choice. So if you want like this cold drink at night, and it's like you cut a lemon like that, just slice it. You put green tea in a lemon, and it does wonders. Or you can do anything with a lemon, trust me. There's a lot of lemon hacks out there on TikTok. Or YouTube. It's the best. Look up lemons, and you'll find a lot of hacks. So, keep it up for breakfast, because that is a good breakfast item. Actually, I'll keep that there. I'll prepare his next thing in here. There we go. And that is about it. So, sorry for the moving around. I was just letting you see what my fridge looks like. Sorry again, I'm going to hold it back for you. And here is what it looks like. So, thank you for sticking around for that video. Lovely talking to you guys again. Sorry it's been so long, but I'm happy to be back now. And I would love to hear your thoughts about my video. Please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe and give me a comment. And again, if you want to see a first video, send me that ice Sorry about that. That would be a motorcycle. Let me wait. Sorry about that. So anyway, I was saying, send me an ice emoji so you can see a freezer video. And if you want to see a pantry video over there, which my pantry is over there, send me like, hey, I want to see a pantry on the comments. That would be lovely. So again, sorry for the motorcycle. I'm going to say it again. Please hit that like button down there, hit the subscribe button and the notification button, and I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope I get a lot more subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me. Again, if you're new, my name is Emily Rhodes, and I love to make a lot of content, including footage videos, since I moved out. So, hope you enjoy and have a lovely day. Emily is out!